Accounting, commonly known as language of business. Friends, like we have different languages in terms of Hindi, English, Spanish, French, German, similarly, business has its own language. Now, the moment I talk about accounting as a language, they will use terminologies like profit, loss, recording, financial compliance, net worth, gross revenue. So, all these terms is equal to accounting. Now, if I had to say what is accounting, accounting is measurement, processing and communication of financial and non-financial information of economic entities. That is what accounting is. Now, any individual who wants to pursue accounting as a career, they can choose two different ways. One is a regular graduation course, which is equal to BCom, a BCom honors, and then following it up with an MCom. Or for that matter, an individual can also pursue a professional path. A professional path like chartered accountancy, cost accounting, managerial accounting, company secretariat, or a ACCA. These are those professional certifications in the field of accounting. In the further videos, we'll tell you something with respect to these professional certifications. Friends, accounting offers you multiple career opportunities. Opportunities like financial manager, financial controller, financial advisor, certified public accountant, chief financial officer, or for that matter, a chartered management accountant. These are those opportunities what an individual can look at in terms of accounting. And if you want to pursue an undergraduate program in accounting, there is a program called BCom, which is offered by Delhi University. Another program like BCom Honors, which is again offered by Delhi University. An individual can also apply in Mumbai University, where you have courses like BCom in Financial Markets, BCom in Accounting and Finance, BCom in Financial Management, BCom in Investment Management, or for that matter, a BCom in Transport Management. After looking at Mumbai University, one can also look at something called Christ University, where you've got multiple options like BCom, BCom Honors, BCom in Finance and Accounting, or for that matter, a Bachelor's of Business Administration in the field of Finance and Accounting. Also, there are universities with respect to Symbiosis, Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Loyola, St. Xavier's Kolkata. So, Loyola Chennai and St. Xavier's Kolkata will also offer you a BCom at an undergraduate level. There are multiple specializations what an individual can pursue in the field of accounting, like financial accounting, management accounting, cost accounting, tax accountant, project accountant, not-for-profit accounting, or for that matter, investment, government, social and forensic accounting. These are those different branches what are available in the field of accounting as a career. If you want to know more about these cutoffs, colleges, universities, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you. This is Anubhav signing off from Career Library.